Good morning, class. Welcome back to the computer class. I hope you all are fine at your home. Better now, today we are going to discuss about our exercise of chapter number 5, which is PowerPoint. You know it is divided into the two sections, section A and section B. You have to do your section A in your textbook only, and section B, which is question answers, you have to do in your fair notebook in a good handwriting. So now we are going to discuss about the question answers. Our first question is, what is a slide? Slide क्या होता है? We have already discussed in our chapter. The slide is a single page. A presentation is a collection of slides, but a slide is a single page of presentation. These are grouped together in a sequence to form a slide show. जब हम presentation बनाते हैं तो it is a collection of so many slides, and each single slide is a single page of our presentation. Whenever we group together these all slides in a sequence, it forms into a slide show. The second question is, name any 5 types of slide layouts. हमने डिस्कस किया था ना, layouts क्या होते हैं, in which you have to arrange something or some objects in a sequential order or in a particular format. So the slide layouts can be further divided into some types, like the title slide is a type of slide layout, the comparison, blank, picture with caption, and to content. These are some of them, but there are so many types of slide layouts in your book which are already mentioned. Now the third question is, what is difference between the outline view and reading view? You know very well the outline view, in which the summary of our slide is shown in the left side of our window. It allows the working with the text. In the outline view, it allows us to working with the text only, but in the reading view, it is the default view in a PowerPoint. Whenever you want to make any presentation, by default it provides the reading view. The second one is, it helps to move around the text and create the summary slides. जैसे मैंने बोला आपको कि आउटलाइन व्यू क्या करता है, आपको समरी स्लाइड्स दिखाता है. जो भी अपने स्लाइड पे ऑब्जेक्ट या टेक्स्ट यूज़ किया है उसको एक स्लाइड की फॉर्म में आपको शो करेगा. It helps in speedy navigation through slides. The speedy navigation means it helps to navigate between the number of slides. एक स्लाइड से दूसरे स्लाइड पे स्विच करने में हेल्प करता है. It helps to promote and demote the text and create the main points and sub points. ये क्या करता है, प्रमोट करता है. हम इसमें टेक्स्ट को ऐड भी कर सकते हैं, हम उसे डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं. हमारे जितने भी सब पॉइंट्स हैं या मेन हेडिंग्स हैं उन्हें एक समरी की फॉर्म में डिस्प्ले करेगा. एंड इट इज़ यूजफुल व्हेन यू डू नॉट वांट टू व्यू द प्रेजेंटेशन. जब अगर आप अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन को फुल स्क्रीन पर देखना नहीं चाहते हो तो आप रीडिंग व्यू में उसे शो कर सकते हो. एंड द outline view looks like this symbol. See, this one is the picture, or we can say that this one is the icon which shows the outline view, and this one is the icon for reading view. Now the fourth question is, write the steps to create the presentation using a theme. Yes, what are themes? Are some pre-designed formats which have already been made in our system or in our PowerPoint presentation software. So the first step is, click the file tab. You have to click the file tab. The file tab किस में होता है, ribbon में. Ribbon is the collection of so many tabs. You have to click on the file tab. Second one, click the new option. Third one, select the theme which you want for your presentation. जो आप अपनी presentation में theme को display करना चाहते हो, you have to select it according to your choice. In the fourth step, select the color for your presentation and click then create it button. After clicking on create it button, your theme will be selected and it will be displayed on your screen. Click to add title means you have to place any text or object in the dotted box is called a placeholder, and type the title of your slide. जैसा आपने अपनी विंडो में देखा था, डॉटेड बॉक्स बना हुआ होता है विच इज़ कॉल्ड टेक्स्ट बॉक्स. उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड अ प्लेस होल्डर इन विच यू वांट टू राइट एनी टेक्स्ट और you want to display any object on it. Now the last one is, write the steps to change the layout of a slide. Whenever you want to change the layout of your slide, what we can do? The first step is, you have to select the slide whose layout is to be changed. जिसके layouts आप change करना चाहते हो, first you have to select it. The second one is, click on home tab. It is the ribbon is a collection of so many tabs, and each tab contains some components which we are going to use make some presentations. The third step is click on layout tab. This one is your layout icon from the slide group, and in the last step choose the layout which you want to display it. फिर आप and the last question is, this one is your extra question beta. What is slide layout? The layout is the method of arranging something, objects on a slide. Yes, whenever you want to arrange something, text or objects on your slide, this one is called layout.